Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Beefy Finance. Beefy Finance is a leading decentralized finance platform designed to maximize your cryptocurrency earnings through automated yield optimization. It operates across more than 20 different blockchain networks, offering users a wide array of investment opportunities. The platform automatically compounds your returns, saving you time and gas fees, and helping your assets grow more efficiently over time. To begin, navigate to the official Beefy Finance website. You will then need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner. Select your preferred wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, from the options provided. It is crucial to ensure your wallet is set to the correct blockchain network for the assets you wish to manage. Once your wallet is connected, explore the Vaults section. Here, you will find various investment strategies. You can filter these vaults by blockchain, specific asset, or even by their projected annual percentage yield. Carefully select a vault that matches your risk tolerance and investment objectives. After choosing, simply deposit your desired amount of cryptocurrency into the vault to start earning. After depositing, you can easily monitor your vault's performance through your personal dashboard. The platform automatically reinvests your earnings, ensuring continuous compounding and maximizing your returns without any manual intervention. When you are ready, you can withdraw your initial deposit and all accumulated profits at any time. Remember that network transaction fees will apply during the withdrawal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.